Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to set up and use Salesforce Agentforce for developers. The first step is we have to go to Agentforce for developers Salesforce extension in the VS Code marketplace. You have to click install. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. You will be able to install it. Once it is installed, you have to click this Agentforce icon. You can ask anything to the dev assistant. It will generate the sample code for you. So here I'm going to ask the dev assistant to generate a trigger for me to send an email to the opportunity owner when the opportunity is closed. So the dev assistant created the code for me. So it is ready for use as a reference code. You can definitely use it. If you want to copy this code, you can click this copy icon. If you want to insert the code in the VS Code file editor, you can click this icon. It will insert the code. If you want to copy it, you can click this copy icon. So this is feature 1 as part of the Agentforce for developers. The second feature what we are going to see is auto completion. So with this Agentforce for developers, we can auto complete the code whenever we do the development. So here you can see the sample code which is going to be generated. Once you click the tab, it will automatically generate the code for you. Again, with just tab buttons, by clicking the tab button, I was able to generate the sample code. One more additional feature with Agentforce for developers is we can generate test class for all the controller classes which are the trigger handler classes which we develop. So we can also do that with the help of Agentforce for developers. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.